How's everybody doing on this Tuesday? Just giving you an uplifting video.
I've gone a million times. People asking me a while. Can praise you with all that I've gone through. The question just amazes me. Circumstances possibly change who I forever ever knew.
That is a 60-acre fire.
Maybe since my life has changed, long before those rainy days, it's never really
I'm praying for rain for the west coast of Florida. We need it so bad. We're having fires all over.
only shelter from the storm, and instead I draw closer to you this time. So I pray, bring me joy, bring me peace, bring the chance to be free, bring me anything that brings you glory. And I know there'll be days life brings me pain, but if that's what it takes to praise you, Jesus, bring the rain.
That's one of my spots over there. I can't get to it.
Here comes the sun, I said it's alright. It's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Yellow darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Whoa, here comes the sun, but here it comes. Here comes the sun. Here it comes, yeah. It's alright. It's alright. Tell me, what's a little rain? So I'll pray, bring me joy, bring me peace, bring the chance to be free, bring me anything that brings you glory. 'Cause I know there'll be days when this life brings me pain, but if that's what it takes to praise you, Jesus, bring the rain. Is the Lord God Almighty. Is the Lord God Almighty. And I forever sing, holy,